This is a Learning Commons instructional video. This video will give you some of the basics on how to use the Auto Repair Reference Center available through BadgerLink. First, let's start by navigating to the Auto Repair Reference Center. Go to WITC main page, scroll to the bottom and click on Library. If you look on the left, there's a link for Research Databases. Go ahead and click on BadgerLink. Now once BadgerLink has opened, scroll down about a third of the way and click on Auto Repair Reference Center. Now this is the main page. From here you can now select which vehicle you have. I'm just going to go ahead and use one of mine, so I'm going to select a 1999 Ford F-150. And you can see once you select your vehicle, another option pops up and you can select a trim level. So you just go ahead, you can scroll through and then you select your individual vehicle, and then this launches into the main page. Here you can look at repair info, bulletins, diagnostics, maintenance intervals, specifications, labor times, all kind of stuff. First option here, this is going to be general maintenance, how to disassemble and reassemble different parts, different procedures for performing different maintenance on your own vehicle. For an example, I'll just go ahead and select brakes here. And you can see here there's how-tos on how to take the calipers apart, to change the pads, change the discs and everything. If you click on an individual one, it brings up a diagram fold with both instructions and diagrams on how to do different stuff. Now I'm going to go ahead and open up how to change the pads, and you can see I have the same diagram as the last one that we looked at, but there is an option to where you can save or print this for use out in the shop. So you just click on download PDF and you can save it to your computer. And once you have this, this is where you can save a copy of it and you can view it later, or you can print it off and bring it with you out to your vehicle. This right here is the save option, just so you know where it is. Then right next to it is the print option. Now there is another really cool options that I want to show you back at the very start. Besides looking at all the technical specs of everything on here, there also is an option to look up the labor times. Most of us don't work in our vehicles, so when we bring it to the shop, and if you want to get kind of an idea of how long it should take, you can look up the exact recommended times from the manufacturer of how long it should take to do this part of the vehicle and work on that part and that kind of stuff. And these are the exact same times that mechanics use when they calculate their wage for how long it took them to work on your vehicle. So looking back up on the brakes again, to change the pads, you just select which kind you have on your vehicle, and then there's the factory time, where how long it took to install everything, but then there's the regular and service times, and this is what labor times are. So you can get an idea of how much it should cost or is going to cost to have something work done on your vehicle. So that's a quick look at the Auto Repair Reference Center. It's a pretty cool option, and because it is available through BadgerLink, all Wisconsin State residents have access to it. If you happen to be traveling in your out-of-state of Wisconsin, you can just log into BadgerLink using your barcode from your student ID badge, which is also your library card number, and you can view stuff anywhere in the country. For more information and for other resources, please stop into the ETC or LRC. You may also visit our screencast page for other tutorial videos. The address is www.screencast.com/users/learningcommons.